Welcome to Libre Computers, where learning is fun. Today, computers have become an integral part of life. No wonder they are used for designing. In this lesson, the important graphics programs that is CorelDRAW and the tools used in it will be discussed. Designing with computers is called computer-aided designing, CAD. Some of the important graphics programs, which are used by designers, are CorelDRAW, Adobe Photoshop, and Adobe Illustrator. CorelDRAW is a vector graphics editor developed and marketed by Corel Corporation. It is designed to edit two-dimensional images such as logos, flyers, banners, clip arts and posters. To design any graphic in CorelDRAW, it is important to have thorough understanding of the software. So for today's class we'll take a tour of the CorelDRAW interface. When you launch CorelDRAW, the application window opens containing a drawing window. Although more than one drawing window can be opened, you can apply commands to the active drawing windows only. To create a document in CorelDRAW, go to File and click on New, or just press Ctrl+ and key combination. New document window will appear. In this window, give name for the document if required. In the Create New Document window, choose the number of pages and the color mode. In CorelDRAW there are two color modes, that is CMYK, which means C stands for cyan, M for magenta, Y for yellow and K for black. And the other one is RGB, which means R for red, G for green, B for blue. Then choose the page size. There's some default page sizes that are already mentioned in the list, you can choose from them. Or else you can customize the page by specifying the width and height manually. Based on the width and the height, the orientation of the page will be selected. You can also change the orientation of the page. Resolution determines how sharp and detailed an image or artwork is when it is displayed on a monitor or printed. And it is measured in terms of dot per inch. Once all the details are entered in the new document window, click on OK to confirm to settings. A new document will be created as per the specification. After creating a document, you can make changes with regards to the size and orientation of the document in the Properties bar. You can apply the page size to all the pages by clicking on this button, All Pages. You can also change the units of measure from millimeters to inches. And if required, apply the changes to the current page by clicking on this button. On the extreme left-hand side of the document window is the toolbox. It is the bar docked with tools for creating, filling and modifying objects in the drawing. Some tools in the toolbox are not visible by default. You can choose the flyout arrow to display the hidden tools. This bar is called the Document tab, a tab which displays for each open document, to allow you to quickly move between documents. This bar is called the Title bar. It displays the title of the currently selected document. This bar is called the Menu bar, which contains pull-down menu options. And below the menu bar we have Toolbar. This is a detachable bar that contains shortcuts to menu and other commands. The next bar below the toolbar is the Property bar. It is a detachable bar with commands that relate to active tool or object. For example, when the text tool is active, the Text Property bar displays commands that create and edit text. You can change the font style, size, make text bold, italic, underline, and also give text alignment. These vertical and horizontal borders are called rulers. They are used to determine the size and position of objects in a drawing. This is a document navigator, which is used to navigate between pages, and add more pages to the document window. This rectangular area inside the drawing window is the drawing page. It is the printable area of your work area. Anything designed outside the page won't be printed. So once you finish with your designing, make sure it is inside the page. This area at the bottom of the application window is called the Status bar. It contains information about the object properties such as type, size, color, fill and resolution. The status bar also shows the current cursor position. a button at the lower right corner that opens a smaller display to help you move around a drawing. This is a dockable bar that contains color swatches and is called the color palette. This area outside the drawing page bordered by the scroll bars and application window is called drawing window. Although more than one drawing window can be opened, you can apply commands to the active drawing window only. In today's session we have learnt the CorelDRAW interface. Well, that more or less wraps things up for today. Thank you for watching our video. Like, share, and subscribe our channel.